So what's up guys, in today's video we're going to be making a goof invention with CCVR. He's just goofing. See if I can go find him. He's over there. Get over here. I'm not first. Here, come on. I need to go see the camera. So anyways, he's goofing. Yeah, he's over there. So, in today's video, we're gonna be goof invention. So, what are you on about?
I don't know.
I guess I'm doing the ideas. So,
Helicopter.
alright, helicopter as then. So, I think, bam, bam.
Banana.
I don't know what you're doing. Give me this.
Whee! Oh man.
No, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah.
Subscribe to me. I need. Holy boy, subscribe. I need 12 more subs to
Live stream.
get to stream. Oh please, guys, please get me to that goal.
Yeah, I'm
Even
not
though
over there.
They're not really my audience, but like, yeah.
I'm not over there.
Oi.
I swear to myself, I never use shields before here. I'm using a shield right now. But anyways, yeah. But CCVR took one of my time to build this. But whatever.
It's over at the shop.
Yes. My goal is trying to get the one of the creator hats.
Just let him do
I'm trying to
the
get
work.
creator. Don't know about then it's on.
I'm doing a series of playing Rush every day until 50 subs.
Yep. What he just said there.
But yeah, if you want to check out my channel, type up in the search bar capital C, capital C,
I'll put your name.
capital V, capital R,
I'll put
underscore, capital Y, and capital T.
here. I'll put your. I'll edit. I'll put your
Monkey,
your like right here,
Wait, I'm not.
right in front of
I'm
me.
not.
But yeah.
Actually, I'm not a monkey. I'm a gorilla. Gorilla.
But yeah, I never Robert Mossy. Did I already say like and subscribe? Yeah.
Bruh, you're begging for subscribers.
Well, that doesn't every YouTuber or YouTube or whatever.
I don't.
You say.
I just.
You say.
I
like,
say.
subscribe.
I say. Please subscribe.
That's begging for subscriber like me.
But actually, I said subscribe if you want. You don't need to. Because again,
You did not say that.
in my old videos I used to. Where did the camera go?
It's. I don't have the camera anymore. It's in
So-
first person view. Can you let go? I'm just trying to build. You can be the support.
That's it.
Yeah, I forgot I traded a lot of people that. And also go check out CCVR's channel. I'll put that on screen free to one. And then, yeah.
You better put the N.
I will. Yeah.
If anyone wants to trade me, hit me up on my channel. Speaking of which, I need to do this part, 15 today. Part 15. Playing Rush. If you want to trade me and the Animal Company, just hit me up. And if you're a YouTuber and you want to collab with me or Clay VR, then yeah, you can.
And also, if you've been looking at my channel, you've now realized that it's my YouTube channel name is it's Clay. Yeah. And also, don't forget, it's still limited time to get member in my code. So.
When did you say you can get member in the code?
In one of my shorts.
Oh, my bad. I haven't been looking at your shorts recently. But like,
You never look at my shorts. Or barely do.
Yes I do.
Barely do.
But anyways. Members can moderate, manage. What does this do? Oh, the code is DRIPS. No, drip Z. Drip Z.
Drop easy.
Oh, I got my camera.
Everyone has a camera facing.
But my one's special. Oh. Hello. I'm not recording, but like. Oh. I might post a video on my channel.
Yeah, cause you've been just gone for a while.
No.
Yes, you
I'm
have.
doing the same that I just said.
But like, since that,
Did I do another catching scammers? That's kind of fun.
well,
But sadly, I don't know where we're working. So
you have to ask
scammed
me.
either. I might get scammed either way.
He asked me about that rarity. Do I tell him? Yes.
What?
Does he listen to me? No.
What?
About rarity.
You never told me.
I tell you nearly all the time, and you just do not listen.
Tell me right now then.
You don't know. I don't know a trade, so can't tell you.
Bruh.
I can't tell you the rarity if you tell me to trade.
You guys like my beautiful voice? Helicopter, helicopter.
I'm gonna start making.
Over.
Can you leave it alone, CC?
I kinda tried to grab this battle and it came off, but like, it's fine. What even is this again?
It's a helicopter.
Oh yeah. Wow. Mute microphone. Mute megaphones. Appear offline. What does acrophobia mean?
It's like you're scared of spiders.
So what is the mode for that?
Like when you go into the mine, the spider.
Oh.
And like if you're scared of spiders or have arachnophobia, it's a mode where you can put on.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Oh my god.
I just turned that all the way up. Helicopter, helicopter. What is this invention? Hey, ask what is this invention?
It's something I try to build with.
Can I take it?
No. Well, yeah. But no.
Oh! Kinda like, you know that Reaper thing? So where do you want to put it?
Get it?
What is this?
Don't.
Oh man. Oh yeah, if you're someone in my channel that came over to here, well, if you see my last video, I have been sick. Not like actual sick, I've just been like, you know,
He's been coughing. That's what he's trying to say.
not like, I've had the dry throat and all that. And I don't know what it is, so I don't know if I can cure it until I know. But like, yeah. Tell me
All right.
I want helicopter!
Helicopter officially done. Bam, ba-da-da-bam, bam.
Time.
So, I hope you enjoyed for today's video, and we'll see you in the
Wait,
next
we
one.